happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I do my regular gel polish mani with Peel Off Base coat. I've already done my right hand off camera. Now I'm going to show you how to do my left hand. So the first thing you'll want to do is go through and shape your nails to the design that you want. I'm kind of doing like an oval / almond shape. And then once you shape it to your liking, dust off the debris. Now I'm going to go in with this metal cuticle pusher. I'm going to go in and push back my cuticles and really remove any of the dead skin that's sitting on the nail bed. This part's really important because that's going to ensure that you don't have any lifting. With this process, I found that when I'm using Peel Off Base coat, just gently roughing up the surface of the nail really helps to have that Peel Off Base adhere to the nail while also still allowing for easy removal. So once you go through and push back cuticles and buff the surface of each nail, you'll dust it off real quick. Now I'm going to go in with Swipe from Young Nails, and I'm going to go in and clean all the dirt and debris and the dust from each individual nail. And with this, you'll want to really focus on, you see I'm using my nail and getting into that cuticle area. You'll want to do that for each of the nails just to make sure everything is off the nail, again, for better adhesion. So you'll go through and do that really quick. Let the nails dry. Once that's done, you'll go in with your Peel Off Base coat. And I noticed that pretty much one swipe of the brush will coat all of my nails, so I don't really have to go in for like more Peel Off Base. Just whatever's on the brush when I pull it out the first time typically ends up being enough, and I just do one swipe on all the nails, and then I'll go through each individual nail and give it a nice even thin coat. I do only go in with one coat of my Peel Off Base, and I find that gives me the longevity that I'm looking for, while also still allowing for me to be able to, like I said, have that easy removal. So you'll go through and do that. I'm also going to be doing my thumb because I was in a rush doing this mani. Now you'll want to flip for 10 seconds, cure for 60. After you do that, you'll go in with your gel polish of choice. I'm going in with this teddy bear color from Chung Legend. And again, I'm doing that one swipe on all the nails. Like I said, I was in a rush when I did this mani, so this is kind of how I do a quick mani. I think it only took me like 10 minutes to do this. But now I'm going through and just making sure I'm applying a nice even coat to all of the nails, being really careful around the side walls and the cuticle area. And in case you all missed it, I did go to a nail supply show / demo where I got to meet Chung Legend himself, and that's how I was able to get my hands on this gel polish, and I also got one of his acrylics. If you all missed that unboxing and even snippets of my vlog from that day, I will leave that video link down in the description box below. It was really cool to be able to meet him, and his products are amazing. So yeah, once you're done, you'll flip for 10 seconds, cure for 60. And I'm going to go in with a second coat of polish now. Again, I'm doing the one swipe on all the nails, and then I'm going through and fine tuning, making sure I get around the cuticles and side walls without touching. And I will go through and do that for all the nails. And I'm also, again, doing my thumbnail. I typically like to do my thumbnail separate, but again, I don't have that much time while I'm filming this. And there's like a balancing act you have to do with doing the thumb and then with the pulling on the other fingers, and going back and making sure everything's even. But you'll clean up any work and then flip for 10, cure for 60. Once that's done, you go in with your gel top coat. I'm going in with the Gaoy gel top coat. And again, I'm doing the one swipe on all the nails, and just going in, fine tuning it around the cuticle and sidewalls area, making sure I don't touch those areas because that does cause lifting. And then after I finish, I'll cap the free edge of each nail. And I'm also, again, doing my thumbnail because I'm pressed for time, y'all. But yeah, that's what it's looking like after top coat. Going in with some Young Nails Grows cuticle oil to all my crusty cuticles. And ain't she cute though? Yes, I love how the mani turned out. It looks beautiful, and I'll be back with a 1 week update. Okay, happy people, I'm back with a 1 week update, and this is how the nails are holding up. They are holding up quite nicely, if I do say so myself. Again, I did try that Gaoy Peel Off Base coat. I had 2 layers of my Chung Legend color gel polish in Teddy Bear, and I topped it off with my Gaoy top coat. And so far, so good. I'm very happy. Okay, so yeah, here's my peel off base. Here's my top. And then these are the products that I used. Really simple, quick gel mani, and this is how it's holding up, y'all. I'm very happy. As you can see, there's ever so slight new growth on all the nails, but it still looks like I just got a fresh gel mani. Okay, there is ever so slight wear and tear on the sides of the nails here. You see that they're kind of wearing. It's kind of like, you know, when you used to do like regular nail polish and it starts to chip and wear away, but the chipping and wearing process is so slow when it comes to this, which I absolutely love. There is a line on here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I ended up getting some super glue or some nail glue on top of my nails. So I was working on something else and it got on there. So don't mind this. This is not scratches or scuffing or anything like that. This top coat actually holds up really nicely. You all can see on this hand, like all the, you know, the top coat's really nice and shiny. But yeah, just ever so slight, like I said, wear and tear. And yeah, no lifting at all as far as the gel polish is concerned. Last time I did a wear test on this, I didn't film it, and I wish I did, so that's why I'm doing it again. And I got 3 weeks of wear out of it, so I'm on week 1 right now. Again, just slight chipping, slight wear and tear here at the top, here on the side, but nothing that's noticeable. This mani is still wearable for sure. So yeah, just want to give you all a quick 1 week update, and I'll be back with week 2 here shortly. Okay, happy people, I am back with a 2 week update. It's actually exactly 16 days later, and this is how my nails are holding up with that peel off base coat. I did have just ever so slight chipping over here, and this nail was holding on for dear life for like the last week. Like just like the corner of it kept flopping up, and I tried to baby the nail all week, and finally 2 days ago it finally just, that little corner peeled off. But the rest of the polish is actually still intact, which is really nice. But again, this is what the nails are looking like after 2 weeks, 2+ weeks of wear. You all can see the new growth here. Okay, is growing out nicely. Overall, the mani still looks good overall, to be honest with you, especially for having applied a peel off base coat underneath the nails, right? And if you look here at the tips of the nails, you see it's just a little bit of wear and tear here, none over here, none over here, just a small little corner right here. You know, obviously over here, like I said, this little corner fell off, and then just a little bit of wear and tear here at this tip. But all things considered, nothing on the thumbnails at all. So all things considered, like, these nails are holding up really good, especially with having applied a peel off base coat. And so again, I did use the Gaoy Peel Off Base coat for this set, and then I went in with 2 layers of gel polish, and then I finished off with the Gaoy top coat. And I must say, I'm really enjoying using this Gaoy top coat, especially for regular gel polish manis. I used to use my Maron peel off for my gel polish manis, and I would only get like 3 to 5 days of wear before they would peel right off like a sticker. And I've done this with the Gaoy Peel Off Base coat before, and they peel right off. I was going to go ahead and remove this set because of this corner missing, but honestly, like, you know, top down view, most people can't see it, and I honestly don't even have time to paint my nails right now. So I'm actually thinking I'm gonna just go ahead and do another week with my nails like this, and then I'll come back and give you all the final update. And then I'll show you guys how to remove them. I mean, it's just so easy to remove. It's like removing a sticker. So I'll come back at the end of this week, and I'll give you guys an update on how they're holding up after 3 weeks of wear, and show you all the removal process. So stay tuned. Okay, happy people, I am back with a 3-week update, letting you all know how this gel polish mani has been holding up. And I must say, it's been holding up quite well. This is an up close look of how all the nails are holding up. As you all can see, there's tons of new growth here with this gel mani on each of the hands. This one got a lot of new growth, new growth, new growth, new growth. So surprisingly enough, none of the gel polish has peeled off completely. And again, I did apply these nails with peel off base coat. I had the chipping here at the end of week 2, and that's really all that's been happening. I got a little bit of chipping here at the tip of my middle finger, Slight wear and tear on all the rest of the hands, but nothing too crazy. Still looks like a decent mani, you know, from a distance. Over here, I did get a little bit of chipping on my thumbnail. This happened just yesterday, actually. So prior to yesterday, this nail still looked just fine. And just a little bit of wear and tear here at the top. Again, on my index finger here, a little bit of wear and tear. And I'll be honest, this is my dominant hand. And for it to not have a lot of, you know, craziness like my non-dominant hand, I'm pretty impressed with it. Only other thing I noticed here is on the pinky, there's a little bit of peeling here, and I think that my actual fingernail maybe chipped at the tip, but then the gel polish is still kind of hanging on. So all things considered, you guys, this peel off base coat is absolutely amazing. As you all can see, 3 weeks later, it's still holding on strong. And I want to show you all how easy it is to remove this peel off base coat. And for me, one of the things I look for in a peel off base coat is longevity and easy removal, right? So this is 3 weeks of wear with a regular gel mani on my natural nails. And I'm getting ready to show you guys how to peel it off. The color that I'm wearing on my nails is Chong Legend Teddy Bear. I thought this color was really cute, and I've gotten plenty of compliments on it. So I decided to go ahead and film my removal off camera, but this is what the nails are looking like. They're nice, they're strong, they're healthy. So stay tuned to the next video. I'll show you guys how I removed this peel off gel manicure. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope you got something helpful out of it. I love doing my nails like this. It's kind of been my go-to this year. I am going to leave all products that I use linked down in the description box below in case you guys want to get your hands on them. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.